Let's see. I'm gonna have a little bag. I'm gonna just set that down right now. And let's see. Oh. Here's a little blue hanky. But the most important thing is, who's got a ring? Anyone got a ring? Raise your hand. You got one? Can you know about your ring?
Sure.
Will it come off?
I don't know. We'll see.
Hey, that's always a good sign.
I got two.
Really quick. You got some explaining to do. But
I
got
think
two.
it's coming up.
Yes,
maybe?
yes.
Yes.
Everyone
Oh,
walk
there
it
we
up.
go.
There-
Oh.
You get to take it all the way up to him now.
Oh, okay.
Come on up here.
It's only worth $3,000. $2,000. $1,000. $50. $3.
And you can verify this is your ring, correct?
That is my ring, yes.
Okay, everyone's.
Ever sit by the group.
Yeah.
Here.
Shall I sit?
Yeah, that's fine. That's perfect. Okay, so your ring, that's tiny. Everybody, I'm gonna place it safely inside here. Gonna wad it up. Gonna just. It doesn't need to be pretty. It just needs to be safe. That's important. Okay, would you take that? Okay, good. Okay, now your ring is safely secured in your hands inside a pillow of cushioned fabric. Now, what I'm gonna do is blow your mind. Ready?
I'm ready.
Did you feel that? Because I did. It felt electrifying.
It was.
Now, hold it up real high. I'm gonna reach over with one hand.
Okay.
So I'm gonna grab some fabric. Ready?
What? Where is it? Oh no, what's going on?
Did anyone get hit by any flying objects?
No.
No? You did? You liar. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the disappearing, vanishing, whatever kind of trick. Thank you.
How much is that?
Let's see what that cost you.
Sold.
Can you give me a dime?
You know what? I don't have much, but I do have a lovely bag that's been sitting here this whole time, ooh,
Oh.
that sounds good. That sounds rich. That sounds lovely. Would you open your hand for me?
Sure.
Would you reach inside and take out the contents? Take it all. That you deserve it. You deserve it.
Oh, good. I love change.
Wow.
Yes, that is right. 3 pieces of silver. Can I have that back, please? That's very expensive.
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you. This means a lot to me.
Oh, okay.
But you have 3 pieces of silver. That's
Yeah.
amazing. You know what? Because I know you're such a generous heart, would you pass 2 pieces to any 2 people you like? It does not matter. No, don't worry, because we're going to get back to those later. I'm keeping an eye on you, 82. Ready? But what those represent is a chance. That's not what you really want, because that would be rude of me to, make your ring vanish and give you 75 cents. That's cheap of me. I know you're worth better. So, what I have here is a little treat for everybody. 1 second.
Oh.
Yes. Thank you. I made this silk myself.
Silk.
Let's see what you won.
Oh.
Yeah, you didn't win just a gumball machine. You won what's inside the gumball machine, and that's hopes and dreams. 82. Do you have that quarter? Don't say no. Turn the handle. Be excited, you're getting a toy. Woo! Yeah.
Okay, it's like
Good? Hold on, I didn't see it. What did you get inside?
It's a ring.
It's a ring. Show everybody, yeah! That is good. That is worth 25 cents. Okay, thank you. No, most people are excited. Second ring? Or not second ring, second coin? You? Get over here. It's okay, topple over everyone, they don't mind.
Nice hopping.
You know the drill.
Woo!
There you go.
There we go. There
Are you okay?
What'd you get?
And what did you get?
A ring.
A ring? Not just a ring. You got a.
Blue ring.
Ooh, show everybody.
Oh.
I know he wants to trade you because he's like, yo, Cowboys, what's up? Oh, boo! Yeah, everyone heard it. Everyone heard it. Okay. Okay, so they had some pretty cool things. Let's see what you won. I hope it's a red one.
we go.
Red is my favorite color. Okay. This is so nerve-wracking. Okay.
This is gonna be so good. Yay!
Oh.
Is that your ring?
Oh my God, it is!
Oh, and look, what is that? Wait, did you say red is your favorite color? Look what color it came out with the capsule.
Oh my God, I love it. I love it. Thank you.
So pretty, so pretty.
Wow, I got my ring.
If you have not guessed it, yes, this is the Gumball machine of mystery.
Wow.
Doom. The prestidigitation.